Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV at Enforce 2026 here in Nuremberg with my buddy Jan. You guys remember Jan from last year at the CZ booth. We're looking at the P13. Congratulations on this. I think it surprised a lot of people in the gun world for a Czech company to land a major German contract. Jan, tell me about the P13 and what's going on with it.
Okay, first of all, thank you. Thanks for coming. Thank you for the congratulations. It is indeed a great achievement of our company, one of the major milestones in the CZ's modern history, because you guys know the Bundeswehr is the biggest European army, and out of many others, they have chosen our product. It's a semi-automatic polymer frame striker-fired pistol, which is built on our tried and trusted P10 series. So in the basic setup which the German army will receive, there will be those iron sights. As we call them iron sights, these are metal indeed, plus they are luminescent with the 3 dots. Also, part of the package will be a magazine with the bottom, which will have the same color like the frame. I'm talking about a flat dark earth color, and it will be the P10C standard size magazine, meaning it will hold 15 rounds.
Jan, can you tell me the pattern for the Optic? Is it going to use plates, or is it going to natively?
It's going to be for the plates.
Okay.
Which gives you more possibilities of whatever you want to install there.
How is this different than the standard P10? Are we looking at like basically this configuration, or are there any other differences?
No, just the configuration. They specified the configuration which they want, and we prepared it the way it is shown right here, and this is what they will get.
So Jan, how did they decide to go with the P13 or with the P10 design? How did it perform in evaluations? Are you allowed to talk about that?
Well, not exactly. This would be a question to our PR department. I can only say that it was an international transparent tender. We outperformed a few worldwide famous companies, and this is the winner of the tender.
Do you know, Jan, if this is something that's going to be available in this configuration to the civilian market? Of course, I know what you're probably going to say is, well, you can just go out and get a P10. But look, as Americans, there's a fascination. We want to get the real deal, the exact same configuration.
Well, look, you won't get the P13 marked with the P13 on the commercial market. That's the specific configuration for the German army. Nevertheless, when you equip such a big army like Bundeswehr is with a new sidearm, you probably don't want to buy a pick in a poke. You want to have something with a very good reputation, which has been already tried and trusted. And yeah, this is P10 series, so you guys can have very same way looking pistol if you go for the P10C Optic ready flat dark earth color. That's what you're going to get. Okay,
well look, I would encourage you, I know Jan that this isn't your department, but I would encourage you, if you're allowed to sell it exactly like this, marked P13 in the United States, you guys would sell a ton of them. Even if people who already own P10s, they would come back and buy it. But look, just think about that. You guys, CZ, I know you're watching this video. You guys think about that. Jan, thank you so much, as usual, for speaking with us on camera. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into our EnforceTac coverage. Stay tuned, we're bringing you more. Take care.